Do you know if any truck in the world can do a one-handed donut? We think definitely no. Cybertruck is the only truck in the world which can do donuts by just using one hand, thanks to the extremely nimble steer-by-wire system. A Cybertruck owner demonstrated how easy it is to do donuts in the snow by using a single hand. It takes little effort to do donuts in Cybertruck. Supported by a high steering ratio and four-wheel steer-by-wire. By turning off traction control and diverting all the power to the rear, one can easily perform donuts in a Cybertruck. The donuts are very balanced, with a great center of gravity, especially for such a large and heavy vehicle, and it's super fun. Tesla will be adding soon a donut mode on the Cybertruck, making it easier to pull donuts without the vehicle cutting the throttle.